Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi, and today I'm going to be reviewing slash first impressions slash testing out a new product from Wet n Wild. It still says like new on the packaging, but I think these launched. Okay, so it looks like they've been out for quite a few months, but they still say new on the packaging. So I'm saved. Oh, I saw Rachel Loves do a video on comparing the Rose All Day with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I had to get one of them. So a few days ago I went and picked up Nude Awakening, and I was mind blown by it. So then I went and picked up the other two, and I just got back and got these, and I got Not a Basic Peach and Rose in the Air. I did not get, the other one that they have is called Comfort Zone, and I didn't get that one. The colors I just didn't care for them, so I didn't get that one, but I have 3 of the 4 palettes, and these are $4.68 a piece. And the only one that I've tried is Nude Awakening. I haven't tried these two, but oh my gosh. This is what the Rose All Day looks like. It looks super similar. I'm actually gonna open it up and compare it to the Modern Renaissance because it looks so similar. Okay, so this is what Rose All Day looks like. And then I'm going to compare it to the Modern Renaissance. So they look very, very similar. And this is the palette Not a Basic Peach. This one looks really great for the summertime and springtime, or anytime. I want to try and use a little something from each palette. However, since there's 3 of them and they all come with 10 eyeshadows, you might have a bit of difficulty. This is the color arrangement that we're looking at today. Okay. So the star of the show is hopefully going to be number 7 on the Not a Basic Peach palette. This shade right here. I want to put that on my lid, and then I'm just going to play with the other palettes to build up transition shades and add depth. So I'm actually going to start out with the Not a Basic Peach palette because this one has the lightest shade. I'm going to go into this one. Okay, I'm just going to buff this everywhere. I'm going to do a lot of transitioning so I can use as many of the colors as possible from the different palettes. I'm going to go into Nude Awakening and go into the first transition shade. Now I'm going to go into the Rose in the Air in the bottom transition shade, just taking the same brush. This one is a little bit orangier, a little bit warmer, and the other transition shade was more neutral, and I really want to get kind of a bronzy copper vibe going. Now I'm going to go into the Not a Basic Peach palette and this end transition shade, and they are a bit soft. And I'm taking a dense brush, and I'm really, oh my goodness. I've died in heaven. I'm going to go back into the shade from Rose in the Air into the transition shade and just blend everything out. Okay, now I'm going to go into this coppery shade, number 7 in the Not a Basic Peach, and we're going to put this on the lid. Let's see how crumbly it is. Ooh, it's not crumbly. Like, I don't mind it, but that's one of the things that I kind of don't like in shimmery shades is when they crumble, because I'm like, what am I supposed to do with you? Okay, with these eyeshadows, there's definitely some fallout, so just, you do your eye makeup first. I'm going to highlight the center of the lid using the number 6 shade from the Nude Awakening. And I'm just going to just take a little bit of this and pop this on the center of the lid. Okay, for the lower lash line, I really want to play with a little bit of color. So I'm going to go into shade 5 from the Not a Basic Peach palette. It's this really fun turquoise. It is shimmery, but who cares? And I'm just going to put this on the lower lash line. This one isn't as pigmented as the other shades, but then again, it's a shimmer and I'm trying to like buff it out and blend it. So the inner corner, I'm going to go into this shade in the Nude Awakening palette and put this on the inner corner and the brow bone. Of course, we have to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter. Finish off. I'm going to go in with Precious Petals. And just pop some on. I'm also going to try out their setting spray. I just picked this up today too. This is the Matte Finish Setting Spray. And yeah, I've never tried it before. It's really little. It's so cute. Now I'm just going to put on some mascara and then we will talk about the eyeshadow palettes. I give these 5 stars out of 5 stars. Oh my goodness. Are these not the most incredible thing you've ever seen? Like how can you not want these? $4.68, the price of a coffee for 10 eyeshadows that are fabulous. They do have quite a bit of fallout, but no more than like the AV8 shadows or ColourPop shadow. Like it's just average. But if that is something that bothers you, yeah, there is a little bit of kick up and a little bit of fallout, but it doesn't bother me. These are just amazing. The shimmers are amazing. The mattes are amazing. And I'm so glad I got the other 2 palettes because I just love all of them. And if you're more of like a cool tone, green kind of person, Comfort Zone is perfect for you. This one is a little bit more on the cool side, I'd say, but more on the neutral side. And then these 2 are definitely warm. But they're just incredible. Alright guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys like this look and liked seeing the eyeshadow palettes being used. I don't have anything bad to say about them. They're so good. And for the price, it's just blowing my mind. So definitely go get these. You will not regret it. And that's all I have today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.